Today we are going to install some skid plates for our Gladiator's rear lower control arms. The Gladiator's long wheelbase leads to dragging right where your rear lower control arm connects to the frame. The stock mounting bracket is not strong enough to resist the normal trail slams, which leads to needing to reinforce your bracket. Today we are installing the rock-hard 4x4 bolt-on rear upper frame side control arm skid plates for Jeep Gladiator. These beasts are made out of 1/4 thick steel. They are 100% bolt-on install. They fit all control arm joints. They are coated with a black powder finish. They are 100% made in USA and have a lifetime warranty. These things are heavy duty and tip the scale at 5.6 pounds each. Now that we inspected and weighed them, it's time to get these beasts mounted. First, remove your existing control arm bolts. This bracket has taken a few slams, so it will need a little persuasion to get the bolt out. But don't worry, this 1/4 steel can handle the hammering, no problem. Now tighten the new longer bolt that comes with the skid plates. It's that easy. Now over to the other side, remove the existing bolt. Tighten it up, getting it ready for the torque wrench. This side isn't bent, so the bracket will slide right on, no problem. Now it is time to torque each side to 190 foot-pounds. Now that we have them installed, let's take a look at how they look and what they are protecting. That's it. Let's get back out on the trail for more adventures.